Hey everybody, welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So this is just going to be a really short video to address something that was brought to my attention again the other night by a couple of friends who sent me some things that they found online. Apparently there's a gentleman who is again trying to smear my name in public on some of the Hearse pages. This is a gentleman who I actually backed out on the sale of my 1960 Miller Meteor Hearse, because initially he said I'm going to restore the car, and then come to find out after I did some digging of my own, I found out that he's an eco builder. And again, it's like I have very, firm thoughts about this. If you want to build an eco car, go find a 59. Again, good luck, because 59s are so extremely rare. But I do not want to see my nice 60 Miller Meteor hacked up into an Echo Ghostbuster car. So I backed out on the sale, and I refunded him through PayPal his $1,000 deposit. And again, I will put my contact information in this video because I am completely open to talking to anybody who has questions about my reputation. I encourage people to contact me. I keep all phone records, bank records, all kinds of stuff, because again, my conscience is clear. I have nothing to defend. Again, God knows the truth. I give all glory to God for my success on YouTube and with these cars. It's been always a hobby of mine. I've grown up around it. My parents started it a long time ago. And again, I give all success and credit to God where it belongs. So again, my conscience is clear. He doesn't scare me. He has also said that my videos are worthless on YouTube and that I babble, and he also called me a clown. So again, kind of like the guy in England who was making fun of my voice, which, hey, to each their own. If you don't like my voice, put earplugs in. Don't listen to me. Don't watch my videos. It's really simple. Again, this is the way God made me, and people love me this way, and I should say my family loves me, my boyfriend loves me. I'm not sounding arrogant when I say that, but you don't offend me. If you don't like my voice, that's your opinion, we don't all love everything about each other. So anyway, just addressing that, and I'm sure that he'll probably see this video and say that I'm complaining or whining. I also, things like that. So whatever, if you want to say that, go for it. Like I said, I don't really know what to say. I just wanted to come on here and voice my feelings. And like I said, I don't have any problems with my reputation. If anybody ever wants to talk to me about anything that I've ever done in my car business, bring it on, go for it. Like I said, I have my contact information in the end of this video for all of you guys. And mainly just, getting off the negative side, I have made so many friends through YouTube and talking to you guys every day on the comments. You guys, support me, watch my videos, love what I do with these old Cadillacs, trying to bring them back to life, trying to put them back on the road. So that's what means, a lot to me. And I have made, again, so many friends through all this. So I just want to say thank you to everybody who has supported me and who has stood behind me. And, haters are going to hate, just whatever, and like I said, it's, I give all credit and glory to God. So I hope everybody's having a very blessed day. Take care. I'll see you next time. Just one little tiny footnote that I wanted to add on to this video. I am not trying to sound bitter, but I have found it to be absolutely true. Some guys, and I hope that I don't offend all you men that watch my channel, because I thank you and I appreciate you so much. We love you guys. But I have found in the past that there's kind of like half and half. Some guys absolutely love a car chick, and it's just a huge turn on to them, and they love car girls. Other guys feel a little bit intimidated sometimes, and I've ran into some of those when they find a woman that knows about cars and knows how to talk the talk and walk the walk. So I don't know if that's kind of what's going on here, just a little bit. Like I said, I do not want to sound offensive to any of the male species out there. That is not what this is meant for. Again, God created male and female, and we each have our purpose in life. But like I said, I think that some guys are kind of rubbed the wrong way a little bit when a female is in the car world. So I don't know if that's what we're dealing with here. But like I said, I don't want the smearing comments of my name. It's just rude. But again, people will be people, haters will be haters. So I'm just going to stay positive. Like I said, I have nothing to defend. My conscience is clear. So that's what this video is about. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all. Take care.